Hi everyone! We'll start by cutting down our lumber into the right size. Plane it down into the right thickness. Transfer the pattern onto the wood. You can cut the same layers at the same time by using double-sided tape. Cut out all the layers on the bandsaw. Sand the wheel recess smooth with the Dremel. Now it's time to glue the three middle layers together. I'm using wood glue and super glue. Cut the three middle layers flush on the bandsaw. Make 4 wheels with the hole saw. Mark the location of the wheels to drill the axle holes. Give the seat some more shape with the Dremel. Normally I do this before I glue it all together, but I forgot to do this. Make a small steering wheel and glue it in place. As you can see, I'm using the outside layer to transfer the pattern onto the next layer, to make sure they fit well together. Glue the 2 outside layers together. I'm just sanding the outside layer. I'm not sanding it flush with the inside layer. Glue all the layers together. Attach some extra support pieces with double-sided tape. Now you can cut the roof and all the other parts of the car flush with each other's layer. In Dutch this is a langgatboormachine, but I don't know what it is in English. So let's make the bumpers on the langgatboormachine. Test fit the bumper and glue it in place. The bumper needed to be more angled, but it was not possible with the machine. Trim off the excess of the bumpers on the bandsaw. Let's give the car some more shape. Adjust the fence and keep cutting until you're happy with it. Now let's sand away the bandsaw marks. I'm so grateful that I own a bandsaw. It's such a great machine. Now let's make the lights on the Langatbohrmachine. Here I'm making the recess for the grill plate. Now let's make that little thingy to go on the bonnet of the car where the airflows through. You know, I'm making cars out of wood, but actually I don't know anything about cars. Attach it to a scrap block of wood with double-sided tape to protect your fingers and give it some more shape on the belt sander. Cut 2 grooves with Dremel. Give the bonnet of the car some more shape with the Dremel. After you've done this, you can glue on the little airflow thingy. Let's burn some lines on the grill plate. Glue the grill plate in place. Some more shaping with the Dremel. Make a groove at the sides of the car at the back with a sanding drum in your Dremel. This is the method I used to transfer the shape of the lights, so they will fit. Here I will be making the mirrors out of a 9mm towel. Attach the wheels with wood glue and finish with mineral oil. Hi everyone, thanks for watching this video. Did you enjoy the video and do you want to make this car yourself? Be sure to become a Patreon, the link is in the description and you'll get the plans. Oh, and if you plan to buy some presents on Amazon, be sure to do it through my links. They're affiliate links. I'll get a little fee, but you don't have to pay more. I guess that's clear. That's another way to support me. You don't have to buy the things the link is referred to, but anything you buy through my link will give me a small fee. So thank you. And if you want to see more wooden vehicles, be sure to check out these playlists. I'll see you in one of these videos. Bye!